Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening WhatsApp and navigating directly to backup so you can stop the service without delay. Tap the three dots, choose Settings, then Chats. Once inside, tap Chat Backup to view current backup target and schedule. This is important because disabling requires knowing whether you use Google Drive or iCloud. Make sure the account shown is the one you expect. If it differs, pause here and switch to the correct phone account so you don't accidentally affect another backup. Once done, change Automatic Backup to Never so WhatsApp stops scheduling uploads. Tap Backup to Google Drive or iCloud and select Never. This prevents future automatic copies. If you want a final snapshot, press Backup now. Do that before disabling if you need recent data. Also, make sure to toggle Include Videos off if large media has been causing uploads. These steps cut off the automatic flow while preserving control over whether any last-minute backup runs. To finalize, optionally revoke WhatsApp's cloud access in your Google or Apple account settings so no accidental uploads occur. This is a stronger safeguard. Then monitor storage and the chat backup screen for 24 hours to confirm no new backups appear. If the app still uploads, sign out of the cloud account on the phone or uninstall and reinstall after changing settings. If a backup unexpectedly resumes, try toggling Wi-Fi off and on, then reapply Never and Backup settings to clear transient triggers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.